Hello and welcome back to the channel.
Oh, right, we're good to go. I've checked the taps, I've checked the fridge. We're all good.
So, we are going on holiday and for the first time ever, we're flying out of Heathrow. So what we thought we might as well do is I stay at the Hilton T5, we've worked quite a lot. So before we take you with us and we show you what to find at the Hilton T5.
Where do you want to go?
Hilton Hotel, Heathrow Airport Terminal 5.
Getting directions to Hilton London Heathrow Airport Terminal 5.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the sun.
The reason that we chose this hotel is that it included parking for the time that we were away. 1 night stay and 1 week parking was £190, and all you had to do is fill in the form to give them your registration number and leave it where you parked it. Okay, so I'll give you a quick tour of the room. So first of all, you've got inside the wardrobe. You've got a massive wardrobe, and it does come with hangers. You've also got your iron and you've got a hairdryer in there as well. I'm not sure where the ironing board is, but there you go. Oh, there's the ironing board, there's my answer. It's up neatly there. And you've also got a safe just down under there. So you could get a MacBook in there nicely. So that's a decent sort of size. What we got here is just a fridge. Yeah, we've got a fridge, which is quite handy because Mrs. L's got some Prosecco. So yeah, fridge, teas, coffees, big old flat screen TV. Nice little working area, so sometimes if I'm staying with work, I can sit here and I can work. I can connect my laptop to the TV as well. Got your plugs, and in actual fact, wowzer, that is an American plug. So yeah, for anyone coming over from America, you've already got an American plug in the room. You get your free water. Oh, nice view out the window. Claire's just showing you. You get your free water. Nice area to sit down, and then just moving in beside the beds, you've obviously got your phone, but this is what it pains me when you don't get this in hotels. You've not only got a plug by the bed so you can charge your phone when you're asleep, it's also got 2 USBs on there. Perfect. Reading lights. Am I in the spotlight? Mm-hmm. Perfect. And the bed. That bed is probably wider than it is long, so...
It's quite hard though, as I just found out.
And then just moving into the bathroom, nice mood lighting. I never have worked out what this speaker does, so every time I've stayed here I've turned it up and down, and it doesn't seem to be related to the television or anything like that. You've got a nice big bath, you get all your toiletries, cosmetics, you then got your towels down there. And yeah, we've all seen the toilet before. Oh, and heated towel out.
Super.
And it's an air-conditioned room. I've just noticed the panel on the wall. So yeah, you can take your temperature up and down. But it's really nice, spacious. Yeah, I like Hilton hotels and I like a Hilton T5. People at work who say there are better ones around Heathrow, but I think, for me, I'd always book here. So yeah. What you got, Claire?
Bubbles.
So we are in the executive lounge. Claire's got her Prosecco and we've got a bit to eat as well, just to tide us over before dinner, because we're going out to a nice Italian restaurant. So we've got some nachos, we've got some mozzarella, some bruschetta, some cheese. Should be nice.
Yeah.
Again.
Little nibbles.
So last night we stayed at the Hilton T5 because it's nearest to Terminal 5. A couple of bits about the hotel. Where did you go for dinner?
We went to, what was it called?
New Batola, which is only up the road.
Yeah,
so
Italian.
there are a lot of options in the hotel. You can have food in your bedroom. There's 2 restaurants and there's also a Starbucks.
And we also saw someone coming in with pizzas, Domino's, so there is obviously Domino's nearby as well.
So Domino's is an option. But no, we went to the New Batola, which was lovely.
Yeah, really nice.
And then this morning, we got here nice and easy actually. There was a bit of a hair-raising moment to begin with. So they do a coach transfer to the airport. Now it only takes about 5 minutes. They do normally charge £6.90 I believe, but the card machine wasn't working. But we were worried because the first bus of the day didn't turn up at 4:30, did it?
No, so we were going to all set to get a taxi just because we didn't know if it was going to turn up, but then just as we were getting a taxi sorted, it turned up, so lucky.
So yeah, it was a nice hotel, nice and easy. All I say is just have a backup for getting to the airport, like a taxi if the bus doesn't turn up.
Yeah.
But yeah, anyway, watch our channel next week, because as you can see, we're at Heathrow.
Yeah.
We're about to get on a plane.
NYC, baby.
Yeah, check it out and we'll catch you there.
Till it was done.